In this video, I'm going to teach you all how to make this gradient effect in Adobe Photoshop. So first, you need to have a text. Let me make this text as white first. Okay, so I'll be using this text as our example. So first, you just highlight your text and go to the layer panel, choose blending option, and at this blending option you can see this gradient over there. You can choose, and you can have your gradient effect if you tick the box. And if you want to change the color of the gradient to have yellow or an orange, you can press here this drop down toolbox and you can choose from here. Basically, this is the basic raw files that you can find in most of the Adobe. So let me change this to red color, and you can see I have this three mixed red tri-color, and I will choose this, and you can have this gradient effect wonderful created in your file. And you can also change the opacity of the gradient. For example, you can change to 44%. This one not so nice, we can put back to 100%. And you can change others effect. For example, this one, the alignment from the left, horizontal from the top, you can change also. And you can play around with different kinds of style. And yeah, basically this is what I want to show for today's tutorial. Thanks for watching. Thanks.